What is up, YouTube? Alright, so we're going to another one of our local Detroit car meets held by a group called Modded Detroit. And right now I'm outside of where it's gonna start, which is a parking garage. I'm currently waiting for Mo. You know, he should be showing up anytime soon. He's about 10 minutes behind me. I left from where we live, we're like 10-15 minutes apart, so I was a little bit closer than he was this time. But we're waiting on him right now. Once he pulls up, we're gonna come into the car meet together. You know, gotta roll as a crew. And then we'll see where things go from there. All right, guys. So some people just thought I broke down. These guys are so friendly. And that Mustang up there. You know, Mustang, you know, brotherly love, Mustangs. You know, he pulled over, asked if I needed help or anything. I'm still waiting for Mo, so. But that's cool. That's cool that he did that. But yeah, we're gonna continue waiting on him. All right, guys. So pretty sure I heard him, and here he is, the man, the myth, the legend.
What up, YouTube? The other half is back. We at the meet, guys.
Hell yeah.
We about to see what goes down tonight.
Exactly. Might go.
tell me, can you see the stars? We're just running forward in the dark. You knew just what my soul needed. Two hearts, we share the same beating. Is this what it feels like? Coming back to real, coming back to real life. Only come out at night, but we're still looking for signs. When I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder.
turn your car off.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you lie for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. What you wanna be, and I can feel but you lie for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me. I'll never let go.
Guys, somebody did a burnout. The meet is over. We leaving. We're getting kicked out. But me and Dan are kind of upset. But stay tuned for part 2.